oil change and oil filter. Just maintenance. And I'm just gonna show you. I'm not gonna show you how, but I'm gonna show you. So, gotta drain the oil. Oil filter. It's right there. So 15/16 to take. So grab trusty oil. Oh. All right. So I like to use something to maybe catch oil that misses this pan. So I'm going to use a 13 mil and lefty loosey. Ready? See the wind? I don't really see like shiny metal, so it's good. So always keep some dirty rags around to clean up that mess there. Yep. So got a new oil filter and it comes with the gasket. So let's take this 11 or 15/16. Out of here. So keep your thing close. Your box here. Gotta get it nice. Just be careful not to damage the thread. Grab that there. Now that's off. O-ring. Just slide it on. Just gotta slide the new O-ring on. Like this. And it sits in a groove. Just like that. New filter clips in. And just put it back. Down. Doesn't need to be super tight. Tighten up the seal. That's it. So before we fill the engine with oil, let's close the drain plug so it doesn't fill. It's still dripping, but I'm not that OCD about it, so I want to get this done. It's my car. I can do whatever I want. So, thread it by hand first, because you could risk cross-stripping this, and then if you do, you're screwed. Little snug. And that's it. And now for this mess. Look at, wasn't paying attention. It's too busy watching footage. This happened. Let's put oil in. On your cap, it should say what engine oil you need. 95 synthetic W20. I'm gonna put it in the filler right over my nice compressor, just in case. I'm not perfect. 6 quarts, which is 5. That's 6 quarts. Chugging. I'm not perfect. And
intentions are everything. Anything else goes? I tried.
anyways, shout out to that guy. He was stoked. He was like, yo, nice car, fam. And I was like, yo, done no zine. I got it by myself out the gutter. So, boom. Engine oil has changed. So nasty. So, it's just
What are you doing? Getting rid of all this old oil. I'm using the old bottles.
I think I've managed to cultivate a workable strain of the Daystar virus. As a precaution, I transmitted the genetic sequence to Calder in case our main stock was destroyed. In order for it to achieve maximum lethality, you're going to need to infuse it with Drake's blood.
so hot.